Streamer.bot is a very powerful tool for streamers, but if you don't have any coding experience, it can feel a little intimidating to get started. As someone new to Streamer.bot, you will probably be using functionality that others have shared, so you'll need to know how to import actions. Streamer.bot handles this a bit differently than most programs, so let's go through it together. I'm going to assume that you already have Streamer.bot installed and connected to your favorite streaming platform. Let's say you downloaded the file that you want to import and you have it on your computer now. It'll probably have a .sb extension, but if you downloaded a zip file, you'll need to extract the contents. In this example, we have a hello world.sb file, which we will import. So there are two ways to import actions, and we'll go through both together. First, let's take a look at my current Streamer.bot installation. If we go to Actions and Queues and go to Actions, you can see I don't have anything loaded just yet. If we go to Commands, you can also see we're starting fresh here. So first, let's go to the Import button. And here is the Import String dialog window. So the first way to import things is to just drag and drop the file into this dialog window. As you can see, it loaded up the Hello World export file. It contains a basic action just for learning purposes, and there's just one action, Hello World. There's also a Commands tab. So as part of this package, there's a Hello World command. This command will be !Hello World, and that is what will trigger the action. I could import this right now, but let's go through the second way to import an action. So let's go back to import. Again, we have this import string dialog, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to open the file and we're going to copy and paste the contents. You can open this with any text editor. For now, let's just use Notepad. As you can see, this is what the contents of the file looks like. It's not human readable, but this is in a format that Streamer.bot expects. So what we'll do is let's select all. We will copy this, and then we will paste that into the import string dialog. As you can see, it did the same thing that it did before when we did the drag and drop. It knows this is the Hello World export file, a basic action just for learning purposes. Here's the action we saw before, and if we go to commands, this is the command that we saw before. So let's go ahead and we will import this. Here's a warning that the command portion of this import file is going to be set to disabled by default. We can turn this on later. We'll go through that. Let's click OK. Close this. And now we can see if we go to Actions, here's the Hello World action. And if we go to Commands, here's that Hello World command. And as you can see, it is currently disabled. So what we'll do, we can edit this and we can flip this to enabled. And there you have it. Now we've imported the file. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to my GitHub repository where you can find this example file, as well as some other Streamer.bot tools that I'll be sharing. So this is a pretty brief tutorial, but hopefully it helps you feel a little more comfortable with importing actions into Streamer.bot. As I mentioned earlier, I created an online repository for tools that I write and share with the community. Best of luck with your stream, and please feel free to comment below with other tutorials that you would like to see. Take care, citizens. Please like and subscribe.